out of the car. I look back, and I was like, holy shit.
And that was the moment that Bubba knew it was not going to be easy to fool this many people. Hello, everyone. My name is Swamp.
Oh, I'm not such a loser after all.
And if you don't remember this story, Bubba Wallace is the guy who was a NASCAR driver who said that there was a noose in his garage, and it was a threat. It was a hate crime. Apparently, he saw the absolute rousing success that Jussie Smollett had with his whole "this is MAGA country" thing, and decided he also wanted to cash in on it. I don't know. I just know that one guy said noose. FBI jumped to attention. They sent like 40 guys down there to figure this out. And they were able to conclude that this was a pull string for the garage door. It had been in there for months before anyone even knew that Bubba Wallace was going to be using that garage. And ESPN themselves even reported this. They reported that it was not anything nefarious.
Yeah, we begin with news that just came in. An investigation has revealed that the noose found hanging in the garage of NASCAR's only full-time black driver on Sunday, that noose had been there since last year. That is our breaking news here on SportsCenter. The investigation, which was handled by the FBI as well as state and local authorities, has revealed that the noose had been there again since last October at least, and that no federal crime was committed.
But never let the truth get in the way of a good narrative. At least that's what I always say.
I just wanted to stand with him during the national anthem to show my support for him, and was appalled by what I had learned.
I was appalled that I had not yet been asked to cash in on this as well, is basically what he's saying.
And then as drivers got involved, I think crew members, team managers, team owners, it really started to snowball within a very short period of time.
Now, I actually do believe that this thing did snowball rather quickly. I'm sure it was just some guys messing around in the garage, just goofing around and being like, haha, and they're pulling the drawstring for the garage, and they're like, doesn't this look like a noose? Whoa, holy crap, where'd these FBI agents come from? Just a reminder, this is like a year after they had already said that nothing had happened. There was no crime was committed, especially nothing race related at all. Nothing. This is a year later. Their ratings must be doing worse than normal. They gotta pump them up. Man, this really destroys the narrative about, there's a racist around every corner.
The most incredible, non-competitive moment in sports I'd ever seen.
Oh, come on, man. And to think, all it took was a fake story. Man, it really brings everybody together. Most incredible moment, non-competitive moment in sports history right here. Guy lies, then everyone claps.
That moment, I could feel the weight of that moment, and I think we all did as we were walking.
If we didn't live in Bizarro World, this would actually be a special about how the story was BS. And that everyone's like, look at us. I mean, we were made fools of. He hoodwinked us here. Wait, is it racist to say hoodwinked about a black guy?
And I get out of the car. I look back, and I was like, holy shit, it's the whole garage. The whole garage.
No, I do believe you there, Bubba. I definitely believe you there.
And that's when I lost it.
Oh, God, this is so stupid.
In the midst of all the turmoil, that was going on in the world, with the black and white, the hatred and everything that was going on.
Oh, no, yeah. I mean, we're in the midst of so much of that we have to make it up every time.
The entire NASCAR family rallied behind my son.
I'm so tired of this kind of crap. I mean, shouldn't that tell you that maybe, just maybe, you've built up a boogeyman that isn't there anymore? That it's just not... whatever.
I knew at that moment they loved him for the person that he is, not because of skin color or anything like that.
And all it took was a garage door opener to make me realize that.
What did it mean when all those people who were so silent on that chat 2 weeks earlier?
Oh, I still don't forget, but this moment was still important. You know, you can let down your guard a little bit, but I don't forget the ones that were silent.
God. Oh, Jesus. They just go on this whole ridiculous thing about how, look how amazing and powerful this is. Everyone's behind me. Everyone's behind me. And then he ends it with a threat? What? What a piece of shit. But I mean, what can you do when the demand for this sort of thing far outweighs the supply?
The FBI says tonight it is confident no crime was committed in connection with a noose found in the garage used by NASCAR star Bubba Wallace.
The FBI says the noose had actually been there for at least 6 months since last October, and that Wallace was only assigned that specific garage last week. NASCAR says it was a garage door pull rope.